This is the raspberry balloons experiment. Some people call it the farting balloons experiment, but I'll let you decide what you want to call it. What you're going to use is a long balloon, and I'm using a blue one, as you can see, because I like the colour. You're going to need a sharp pair of scissors. Now, it's very important to remember that to cut a rubber balloon, you do need sharp scissors, so please be careful. If you use scissors that are not too sharp, all that happens is when you go to cut the rubber wraps around the blade of the scissors and it doesn't cut. So you do need sharp ones. It's a very simple experiment to do. All you do is hold the balloon like that between your fingers, gently stretching it open. Get your sharp scissors and carefully cut there. Turn the balloon over and carefully cut there. Now, I don't want to use this piece, so I'm going to leave that there. The piece I'm interested in is this piece. Now, you'll see that I've cut a point, and I'm going to very carefully pick this open because you'll notice there are actually 2 points there. You can see 2 points. Now, this can be as sharp as you want because, of course, rubber is extremely soft, so you don't have to worry about it hurting you, of course. This is what we're going to do. Very simple experiment. And then you're going to discover why it has the name it has. I just want you to take the balloon, hold it, and blow air in. Off you go. So, if you've done what I asked you to do, this is what should have happened. Good fun. Okay, so how does it make that disgusting sound? Well, remember, we're blowing air through the balloon. The air travels down that tube, comes out between the 2 points. And as it comes out, of course, it must push them open. And as they get pushed open, they bend a little bit. Watch again. Now they move very fast. But if you look carefully, watch one more time. I want you to notice the way they flap from side to side as the air pushes through them. Watch again. So you can see the points moving backwards and forwards. And as they're flapping backwards and forwards in the way you can see, what they're actually doing is pushing the air each side, and they're pushing it out of the way. And it's that rapid motion backwards and forwards, pushing the air out of the way, which is setting up a sound wave, a vibration of waves travelling in all directions. And of course, some of them hit your ear and make your eardrum move, and that's why you hear that sound. Some of the air, of course, is going that way, coming out. And because of the way the flaps are moving, it's actually sending puffs of air in that direction too as it comes out between the flaps. And that too is helping make the sound you hear. Things you can change. Obviously, you could change the shape of the point, couldn't you? So you could cut different shape points. That'd be worth trying. Not too difficult on a balloon. What about you try a new balloon, and instead of cutting the point in the middle, like I did on this one, how about cutting the point near to one end of a new balloon? Or how about cutting the point near the other end, near where you blow it? That wouldn't make a difference. What about different shaped balloons? We're using a long balloon. Do you think it's likely to work with the more rounded shaped balloons? Will they work? What about the balloons which, when you blow them up, have a crinkly sausage shape? Do you think they're going to work? Try that. There is one other experiment I do which is connected with this in science, and I call it the screaming straw experiment. That's one I would recommend you have a look at. But these two can be joined together. You'll see what I mean. I'm going to put the balloon loosely around the end, and let's see what I mean.